Alappuzha. Alappuzha, referred to as the Venice of the East by Lord Curzon, is an important tourist destination in India. Lush greenery, backwaters and houseboats are an altogether new experience for tourists. Alappuzha is abundant with unique features such as the snake boats, toddy shops, paddy fields, art forms, folk songs and so on. The culture and tradition of Alappuzha has left a strong footmark in the tourism sector. Alappuzha, earlier known as Alleppey, is the torchbearer of the Nehru Trophy boat race. It is the only state in Kerala without any forest cover, but Alappuzha is blessed with abundant water resources. Houseboats in Alappuzha, like the shikaras of Kashmir, is definitely one in every nature buff's bucket list. Backwaters surrounded by coconut palms, toddy shops and authentic eateries seems like a painting on a canvas of rich cultural heritage. Houseboats were initially used as cargo to bring in goods, but as time went by, their initial use subdued and they rose to prominence as a symbol of leisure and luxury. Modern houseboats have all the amenities with neat bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchenettes and lounges. The Alappuzha Beach is another tourist attraction of the area. This small but charming beach houses the remains of colonial rule in the subcontinent. Lifeguards are always alert on the beach, which adds to the safety of tourists. The coir industry and coir handicrafts are the epitome of craftsmanship. The handicrafts are exported to different parts of the country.
So it's just a day. I haven't seen much, but I saw some boat house and it's quite cool to say. It's pretty much nice and people here are really friendly, very helpful. And it's peace, as you can see, the seas and all. You can come and visit.
Bus services to Alappuzha can be availed from all major bus stations in the state. The nearest railway station is Alappuzha railway station, which is about 2 kilometers away. And the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport at a distance of 83 kilometers.